Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable Autorun trigger for Apex Legends Mobile. So in order to do that, we'll need to go to our settings, then find gameplay, and right here you can see joystick triggers Autorun. So if you turn it off, you won't see it on your screen, and when you turn it on, you will see it. And what it does is when you run, you simply just pull your finger up, and here there should be an icon that indicates running. So if you press on it, you'll be auto running, and if you disable that, there'll be no option such as this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.